morning. It is a rainy day. And the kids are sitting here waiting for the garbage truck and the recycle truck to come. Say hi, y'all.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Anyway, so yeah, the recycle truck, when it gets here, it's got a lot to get in a bit. That's what is going to have to be picked up. A full garbage can and a full recycle can. And you can see it's just rainy and just nasty outside. Yeah, all around nasty day.
Yeah. Uptown. Wash Heights, what up? Yeah.
I was videoing you.
I seen this.
I thought you was trying to make a funny face. Kisses.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Give me tuggers.
Levi says,
I gotta go
ooh.
work. Mwah. Be good, boy. Okay?
There's a big ol' hug.
They gotta go work, okay?
Teeth.
He wants his toothbrush. That's why he's saying teeth. I'll get it for you in a minute.
Brush teeth.
I'll get it for you.
Give me a kiss. I gotta go. I love you.
Again. Love you.
See you tonight.
Okay, baby. Be careful.
Bye bye. You gonna watch me out the door? Out the window?
Go get in the
You're
chair.
fixing to get hurt.
Go get in the chair. Go get in the chair so you can look at Daddy out the window. He's got M&Ms on his face. I will clean your face in a minute. Go look for Daddy out the window. You want to get in the chair?
Bye.
Yeah, he's going bye-bye to work. He usually pulls a chair out and looks. He'll probably do it here in a second. It's 1:15. So, there he goes. Out the window. My husband always slows down and looks at Levi out the window and waves. That's what he's doing. Y'all can't probably see him doing it, but... Okay, so I am still in pajamas. These are some of the ones my husband got me. They're like fluorescent pink with black spots. And I got some light pink ones with white spots and a really like, I was gonna say fluffy, but I don't know if I want to call it fluffy. A white robe. I mean, it's nice. It's like super duper soft. It's actually, it feels just like my pajama pants because it's made by, what is it, Secret Treasures from Walmart. Yeah. So I haven't worn it yet though. It's hanging up in my closet. I've done washed it, so it's good to go. I just have not put it on yet. I almost put it on last night, but I didn't. So I'm getting ready to just clean up the kitchen a little bit. It's not, I've really actually just done the dishes right before he left, and I'm just gonna wipe off the counters in there and come in here and pick up. Levi's brushing his teeth. I didn't clean his M&Ms off his face. That's what he was eating. I gotta pick up his little toys and he'll get them back out again. And then I think I'm gonna run the vacuum cleaner because I didn't run it over here, and I swept and there was glitter on the floor and stuff like that. And so yeah, and then I need to bring this laundry basket back over here because I put those toys in it. And I normally do the toy rotation for Levi, but since he's got Christmas toys, I've got all his toys, his other toys in the closet, just so he can play with the Christmas toys for a little while, and then I'm gonna put them in rotation. So, yeah, that's what's happening. So I've already done the kids' laundry today. All their colored clothes and white clothes, and I've got a sheet in there now, the one that was underneath my tree. that I was using as a like tree skirt. I don't know. I've had a tree skirt in the past, them like red felt ones that are like silly looking, but to me, I want to get a nice one day. And I think when we get a new tree, which we're going to have to get a new tree next year, I'm going to do it. What are you doing? You need to come back and give me the toothbrush. I don't like him running around with that because I'm afraid he's going to fall and jab it in his throat because he's always falling anyway. So let me get that thing from him. What do you got? Your toy from McDonald's? How's it go? Show us how it goes. He's got that little headshot. We've got 2 of these, and it is, trust me, it's very annoying. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. So I kind of helped him round up his toys, all his Christmas goodies. And yeah, oh, I'm about to step on you. So I'm gonna show y'all something real quick over here. This is my grocery list for tomorrow, y'all. So I've got the non-food items kind of like grouped together that I want to remember to get. And then this in purple is stuff that I'm going to be doing because I'm trying to do a like a low carb diet kind of thing. And then the stuff with stars on it is just stuff that don't forget it no matter what, because this is just everyday stuff that we use for the rest of the family. So anyway, that is what I've got to go buy. And I don't know if I'm getting it all tomorrow or not. I may get some of it just to hold us over. And then I'll just go back over there on the weekend when my husband's watching both the kids. So, and it's supposed to be raining. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if I'll be getting it all tomorrow or not. If it's not going to be raining and it's kind of like it is outside right now where it's kind of quit, it's not a problem in the world. And he's messing with my remote. Son, look what he's doing. Put it back on live. Okay. What is on for you? Happy Tuesday morning. It's going on, I think 9 o'clock, 9:15, something like that. I just got my shower, obviously. My husband's still asleep. The baby's back in his room playing. I'm fixing to get him dressed. And he and I are going to go to Walmart. I've got to get some groceries today. So it's kind of rainy out, so I don't know if I'm going to do my big grocery shopping trip or not. It all depends when I get there of how I feel. But I am going to get started getting him together, and we're going to get the show on the road. Ooh, it's raining. Okay. We are going. It's 9:27. Got Levi with me. My husband's sleeping. Levi, can you say hi? Hi. He sounds as enthused as I am about going. Semi truck coming by. Oh. Yeah, semi truck. He's picking up words. Like when you speak and it's like the last word you say, he says it. And it's kind of funny that he's doing that now. What? What you got? What you got? Say, look, there's Mom and Levi. That's my outfit of the day, y'all. I found Levi's some really cute slippers. These ones right here. And they're fuzzy. Jada marked down, what do you call it? Pajama thing. And so far I got some vitamins. I need to come over here and get some wet wipes and some diapers. Not diapers, Easy Ups. Here they are right here. Yeah, and I don't know. Let's see, they don't have the one we need for you. I'm gonna have to get a different one.
2 hours later.
Y'all, I got a whole load of stuff to put away when I get home, which means a big haul, so you might want to be waiting for that one. You'll probably have it by Friday. Yeah, you see a big truck over there? Yeah. Okay, so we are on our way. It's going on like a minute to 12 o'clock, and it's so past Levi's lunchtime and nap time. Because he got up, I guess he got up about 8-ish or so, almost 8 o'clock. And it's so nasty out. And I'm kind of glad I did come today, even though I didn't get rained on. That's actually good. Because they're calling for snow this weekend. And that's what the cashier was also talking to me about it. Because I told her, I said, I really wasn't planning on buying this much. I think I've spent like 300 and something. Anyways. And I still didn't get all the like meats and stuff I normally get. But it is what it is. Yeah, I know you hungry, ain't you? He was a handful in there. He was grabbing everything. I had so much stuff pushed up to the front part of the buggy, trying to keep him out of reach, and stuff underneath it. And oh my gosh, it was just not good. It's always better if I wait till the weekend. But like I said, I told the lady, I said, I started to wait till the weekend and come up here. And she said, well, it's a good thing you didn't. At first I thought she said because it's prom. She says no. She said they're calling for snow. I don't know how I got prom and snow out of the same sentence or word or whatever, but I did. But at least we're on the way home.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so there's everything I got. If you want to see what all that is, watch my haul. So I'm in Jaden's room. Baby's taking a nap. My husband's gone to work. And I was just going to show y'all real quick. I mentioned a couple vlogs ago about redoing Jaden's closet and everything. I've actually already washed and put on his John Deere bedding for this go around. So I'll let y'all take a look at it. So if you're new to my channel, Jaden's bedding before, I've shown his bedding before. I had like little construction vehicles all over it on his comforter and stuff. But he got this for Christmas because he loves John Deere, and it's actually reversible camo on the bottom side of it. It's really pretty cool though. And this is the other side of his room. He actually on this side keeps his hats back here behind the door. And then he got the calendar there for Christmas, and he got this for Christmas. If you're new to my vlogs or my channel. Let me turn the light on and I'll show you. Now, before I had my 2-year-old's changing table in here for construction toy storage, basically. So this was in my husband's closet, and it was nothing was being done with it, you know, used or anything. So I'm push some of the clothes back up here so you can see. He's just got some of his Christmas toys up there, some puzzles there. I'm probably gonna put labels, some other little cars, stuffed animals, and at the bottom's like little guns and play toys, like play tools. That's his box of like Hot Wheels. And then this is just a mixture of basically all underneath there's construction vehicles. And then I don't know why he brought this in here and put in here. He had it in Jade and Levi's room. But anyway, I've got 2 things down there now for him for books. So this is actually light enough to pull out, and he can get in there and do what all he wants to do. And I've got a soccer ball trying to get out of the way. So this is his like everyday school clothes, I guess you want to say. And then he's missing a pair of shoes there because he's wearing them right now. That there is like some shorts and some holiday shirts. 2 hangers there because he's got a pair of jeans and a shirt on right now. And then he got an extra one of them right there. That one up there is actually black inside the box. Some of his games, couple Bibles up there, crayons, Play-Doh, blankets, backpack, and then bigger stuff that he has not grown into yet. So I know that's a jumbled mess up there, but I don't really know what to do with it yet. I'm still, it's like a work in progress when you look up there. But I just wanted to show y'all the ones of you that have seen what it looked like before in here. So yeah. So yeah, he's happy to have his bedding, his John Deere stuff out. Even though the last bedding he has had the plain pillow, and then it had like a dressy pillow with the pillow sham on it. Is that what you call it, pillow sham? So he had 2 pillows on his bed, basically, a decorator pillow. Let me turn this fan on and this light off. And we go out. Okay, so I'm waiting for the school to call me. I've got my notebook out waiting. I called and left a message for the cafeteria because I need to, I guess, put more money in his account for lunches and stuff. And then when I'm saying lunches, he doesn't eat lunch at school. I pack his lunch every day, but there are occasions that he forgets his lunchbox and needs to eat at school, or he looks at the menu and they've got pizza that day, and I let him choose if he wants to have a packed lunch or eat pizza, and it's usually he'll eat the pizza, but more than likely every other time he wants me to pack his lunch. He just loves Mama to pack his lunch. And then there's times that they request you to pack a lunch, a brown sack lunch for field trips and stuff, unless you want the cafeteria to provide it. And sometimes I do let the cafeteria do it if I haven't gone to the store or something like that. But I need to find out what's going on with it, and so I'm waiting for them to call me. And I just got done putting groceries away in the kitchen, and I know it's kind of dark in here. It's overcast and rainy. So the only thing I have not done is I just haven't put these breads here away, and I dumped the bag of pistachios in another container, and this is what didn't fit, and I'll just munch on them. And I just opened up the kids' Flintstones, and I actually leave, Jane takes a whole one, that's his there, and then this one here with the L, those are cut in half for Levi. Levi needs iron, so, but Jaden likes the flavors. I actually left this out for him to look at because he likes to look at it, and it shows about it, and then he can throw it away. And then I've got I picked this up walking out the door of Walmart. That needs to go back in the bathroom, and that was from Levi a while ago. I need to put these away and wash these up from lunch and do something with the coffee maker. And yeah, that's what's going on with all this. So I hope everyone's enjoying the vlog, and I'm gonna get it edited and uploaded, so y'all will see this tomorrow morning. I said morning, didn't I? Tomorrow morning is what I'm trying to say. Wednesday morning, and you'll see my food haul video after it on Friday, so be looking for that. And yeah, I'll let y'all know for sure. They're calling for snow. It's been back and forth, but you just can't tell sometimes. But what these news people, I don't even think they even really know. And I think that's the pretty much what everyone says. News people just don't know what really is going on. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.